In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Parabolic SAR Strategy in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and have any chart open. It can be a stock, a forex pair, crypto, or any other instrument you like. Once your chart is on the screen, we'll start by opening the indicator menu. At the top of the chart, look for the button that says Indicators. It's usually near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main indicators and strategies window, where you can search for and apply all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see different sections. One of those sections is called Strategies. If you don't see it right away, look along the left side or the top tabs of the panel, depending on your layout. Click on Strategies to switch from regular indicators to the built-in strategy templates. Strategies are a bit different from indicators because they include entry and exit conditions, and they let you backtest how a set of rules would have performed historically. Once you're in the strategies section, use the search bar or scroll through the list until you find Parabolic SAR Strategy. TradingView provides this as a built-in option, so you don't need to paste any custom code or add anything from the community scripts. When you see Parabolic SAR Strategy, click on it once. As soon as you click it, the strategy will be applied directly to your chart. You'll notice new markers showing where trades would have been entered and exited based on the Parabolic SAR rules. You may also see a strategy tester panel at the bottom of the screen showing performance metrics like net profit, win rate, and drawdown. If that panel doesn't appear automatically, you can open it from the bottom toolbar by enabling the strategy tester. From here, you can customize the strategy settings by hovering over its name in the chart's indicator list and clicking the settings icon. That's where you can adjust parameters like the step and maximum value of the Parabolic SAR to better fit your market or time frame. Finally, if you're interested in using TradingView Pro and you're not signed up yet, make sure to use the link in my description to get started.